Hey adventurers, welcome back to Traveler's Toolkit Travel Hacks by Nomad. Today, we're diving into the heart of Thailand. If you're planning a 2-week trip to this vibrant country, stay tuned. We've got insider tips to make your journey unforgettable. And if you love exploring as much as we do, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow travel buffs, and subscribe for more epic travel hacks. First things first, packing. Remember, Thailand is a blend of heat, monsoons, and cool evenings. A lightweight waterproof jacket is a must. Roll, don't fold your clothes, save space for Thai souvenirs. And guys, a quick dry shirt. Ladies, a versatile sarong. These are your best friends in Thailand's climate.
On to saving money. For accommodations, check out hostels and guest houses on the booking site. They're affordable, social, and often in the heart of the action. Flights, Skyscanner and Google Flights are your go-tos for the best deals. And here's a hack, book midweek for even lower prices. Now let's talk destinations. From the night markets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches of Koh Phi Phi, Thailand is a tapestry of experiences. Don't miss the street food, it's a culinary adventure in itself. And for a serene escape, the temples in Chiang Mai are a spiritual haven. Immerse yourself in the culture. Chat with locals, taste every delicacy, and yes, hop on that scooter.
It's all about experiences that enrich your journey and create memories for a lifetime. Safety tip: always keep your belongings close and stay aware of your surroundings. As we wrap up, remember, Thailand is more than a destination. It's a journey of senses and experiences. Pack smart, spend wisely, and embrace every moment. We can't wait to hear about your Thai adventures. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you found this guide helpful, show us some love. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep wandering, keep exploring, and see you in the next adventure.